Hey guys, in this quick video I prepared for you the best resolution or like the best settings for your g2724d, and this is something that I accumulated for you. I hope it's going to help you. So the resolution, the native resolution that you want to ensure your graphics card supports the refresh rate, the brightness contrast 75 to 80, contrast 75 to 80. Preset mode, go custom color, and then what you want to do, you want to have RGB with 98, 95, 100. These are the color channels. Sharpness, you want to go for 50. Response time, you want to be fast or super fast depending on your preference and sensitivity. Then you want to adaptive sync, you want to have enabled. And the dark stabilizer, edges to enhance visibility in dark scenes, typically around like 0 to 2. So that's another thing. Input source, you just use for, like, let's say HDMI, and dynamic contrast you want to have off, and smart HDR off. So try these things out, and like, of course you can always reset it, but this is something that you can try. Maybe it's going to improve your whole experience. So thank you and have a great day, and goodbye.